Hey, it's Michele from Monkey's Creations. I need to make a couple neighbors' gifts for myself and for my mom. So what better way than to get some ding-dongs and some Christmas cakes to your neighbors? And I'm going to show you how. So we are going to take a piece of foam, and my rotary cutter has a fun little scallop edge, and I'm gonna edge this out. Look how cute that's gonna be. Just gonna cut the edges all the way around. I don't need that big a piece, so I'm gonna go right here, and we're just gonna kind of cut it in half, and then we're gonna scallop this edge. Look how fun and festive that is. Then I have a black marker, and I'm just gonna write Merry Christmas from your ding dong neighbor. And then I'm going to put my name, Taylor, and Jackson. So a fun little gift tag. Now we have some Merry Christmas tree cakes, and then we have the ding dongs, because we're the ding dong neighbors. And I'm just going to take a piece of tape, and I'm going to tape those two boxes just together. And then we're going to add the ribbon. Take that right around, turn it upside down, and y'all, I'm just going to glue these ribbons together. Just a little bit of glue, don't need a lot. Just like that. And we're going to take our second piece, take it right down the middle, and I'm just going to glue these pieces down, wrap it completely around. Just a little bit of glue. We're going to trim off that edge. Look how cute that's going to be. Now we're just going to make a little bow. Just a little bow. You can make these as big or as small as you want. I'm just going to take my tail in half and slant cut the ribbon for the bow. Just like that. Take our ribbon pieces, put them right together. Just like that. We're going to take a pipe cleaner. I'm going to cut it in half. I don't need that whole pipe cleaner. Wrap it around your bow, and I'm just going to give it a couple twists. Doesn't need a lot. And then we're going to take and we're going to put a white piece of ribbon right down that middle. Just a little bit of glue. Wrap it around the back. Hold it in place with just a little bit of glue. Do that same thing to the other edge. And then we're just going to take those pipe cleaners, cut off the excess. Fluff our little bow. And now we have a cute little bow to put right on top of the ding-dongs. And y'all, I'm just gonna take a little bit of glue, glue it right in the middle. Kind of fix our tails. And then we'll just add this little card. And you have gifts from your ding-dong neighbors. How cute is that? Have an amazing day.